Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will show today how to display the EC signal using function generator and oscilloscope. First of all, you have to switch on the bench by pressing the black button in the bench. Then you switch on the function generator. So the function generator, as showing here, has two output. You choose one of them to connect the oscilloscope by using BNC cable. So I choose here the first channel, output channel, to connect my oscilloscope on it. So the oscilloscope has also 4 input. So I choose here the first input to connect my function generator, and then you push the button in the top to switch on the oscilloscope. So let us see how to change the peak-to-peak value and the frequency in the function generator, so we can set these parameters and show these parameters in the oscilloscope. First of all, let me show you how to set up the peak-to-peak value. So by pressing the amplitude button, you can change the peak-to-peak value, and by pressing the button in the down called Hertz, you can change the peak-to-peak value. So now I change it from 2 to 3 by pressing the same button, amplitude, and then frequency Hertz. So how to change the frequency? By pressing the frequency, you set the desired value from the digital touch, and then you press the same button Hertz situated in the down of the display. So now we have 2000 Hertz as frequency and 3 volt peak-to-peak as amplitude of the signal. So this 3 button in the left side down, you can change the shape of the signal: sine, triangle, and square. So by pressing the auto set button in the oscilloscope, you can here set the ideal shape of the signal in terms of amplitude and frequency. So how to check out if the 2000 Hertz and 3 volt are really this value generated by function generator? So you can by pressing so here you can see the scale of the amplitude in the left side. By multiply the number of division of the signal by the scale, you can find the amplitude peak-to-peak. So here you can check the amplitude peak-to-peak of signal. What about the frequency? The frequency should be measured through the period. Period range is in the right side. You multiply the number of division the period by the scale, and you can find the period. So we divide the period 1 over t, you can find the frequency. So the frequency shown here is 3 kilohertz. Thank you for your attention.